Spot. It's in the back. I'm literally shaking right now. That was so scary driving down here, but hopefully we don't get kicked out. Okay. Water is super clear, as you can see. Hopefully we can find a bass. There's a bunch of bluegill. Oh my god, there's a massive fish. I don't know if that's a catfish. What is that? Oh, it's just spooked away. I think that was a huge catfish. It's like a 6-7 pound catfish. Just gotta look for largemouth. Guys, there's a bass right there. Oh, he's looking at it. He's looking at it. Oh, he just got it. First cast. No way. Or second cast. No way. That was stupid. That was so easy. Are you kidding? This guy was fat. Are you kidding me? No way. Thing is huge. It's like a 3-pounder chunk. Solid pop in the top of the mouth. That was dumb. It was freaking stupid eat. It was retarded. Kidding me? Look at that view. Jeez. It's my first. That's like my biggest largemouth. Look at it. It was a dumb eat. Look at this bass. It's huge. Palm Springs bass, baby. Let's get another one. Just gonna get release on this guy. That clear water release. He's just swimming. It's ridiculous. Okay, I'm just walking around. See if I can see any. That was crazy. Kidding me? Keep my eyes peeled. That was a solid bass, guys. It's like my biggest largemouth. Just gotta walk around, stay calm, and look. Give a pitch in these lily pads. No, bluegill are interested. No bass. Catfishes. Nice catfish. Oh, he spooked off. See if there's any bass. That is sick, guys. Look at that. Let's do some blind casting. Coming down on an area where I saw some bass just now. Saw a decent one. Hopefully it's as hungry as the last one I saw. Look at this, guys. Sick. Just finished walk around the pond. Oh my god, there's that massive catfish. Oh, he doesn't want it, Senko. Oh, looks interested. Here, that'd be sick. Or is that a bat? That's not a bat. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that, guys. What the frick is that? It's a catfish. Oh, we don't want the Senko. Hey guys, we just wrapped up the first round walking around with the Senko. That was insane. That was like second cast, first real cast out of bass. Swiped at it. Insane stuff. I don't think there's too many bass around, but we're gonna go put on the top water and throw that for a while, see if we can get anything. Let's put on the top water and walk one more round. Probably head out or something, but crazy stuff. This is the Z-Rec paparazzi. Yeah, that's what we're throwing. Saw that huge catfish again. But no bass. Oh, there's the same one that we just caught. Let's see if he's like that stupid. Can't be. Okay, he's not that dumb. There he is right there. It's crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. How clear the water is. That was the one I saw bedding earlier. Oh, doesn't want the popper. It's alright. Go next to this tree and have a couple casts. Oh, there's a bass. There's a bass right there. I think he was interested. I just saw him come up. I don't know where he went. I made a big splash. Oh yeah, he's right here. Oh, he did. Oh, there's two. They're right beneath it. Oh, damn. Probably eat the Senko. Oh, he's right here. Come on, eat it. Oh, dude. It's like right here. See that? There's two. Oh, damn. Should have had the Senko on. Well, guys, that is the end of the episode. I'm sorry I didn't catch anything else. I almost got those two fish to bite. They didn't want to bite, so that was a sick session. That was my biggest bass ever. Hopefully we can find another pond tomorrow or so and try to fish that. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on another video. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next one.